Hello students, welcome to the accountancy class. Here I am going to discuss chapter number 7 dissolution with the question number 13, 15, 17 and 20. Question number 13 and 15 is related with the journal entries, and then in question number 17 you have to prepare a realization account, and question number 20 is a full-fledged question students. This chapter is quite easy to understand. Like journal entries we are having, when we make the payment the bank will be credited, and when we receive the payment the bank will be debited. Remember these 2 points. Question number 13 state that Lal and Pal, two partners, are there. Their ratio is 3:7. Firm dissolve, and they have already transferred the assets and liabilities to the realization account. Now look at the first entry. A creditor of rupees 3,60,000 accepted a machinery. He has to take rupees 3,60,000, but the firm has paid him 5 lakh. So he has to give 140 back to the firm. So the journal entry will be bank account debit to realization account with the 1,40,000, because he has to pay money back to the firm, and bank will receive, the firm will receive the money. Now second entry is a creditor of rupees 50,000 accepted stock in full settlement. Whenever a liability has been settled against any asset, liability settled, settlement given, full settlement against the assets, no entry has been passed. No entry has been passed here, clearly mentioned student. Now look at the third entry. A third creditor, they said 90,000 was the value of a creditor, accepted 45,000 in cash and investment. I told you no entry will be passed for the settlement, so we have to pass the entry only for this 45,000. So here we passed entry because we are making payment through cash, and cash is going out from the firm, so entry will be a realization account debit to cash account. Now D point, loss on dissolution. There was a loss, and loss comes in the debit side. So in the journal entry, loss comes in the credit side. So in the journal entry, the partners capital account will be debited. Partners capital, whenever the partners are having the profit, their account is credited. Now they are having a loss, so their capital account will be debited. So the journal entry will be passed for the capitals account debited to realization account, and whatever they are having, 15,000 has been distributed in the 3:7 that was given here. Now moving to the next question. Again journal entries are there. They said there was a contingent liability regarding the bill discounted. An acceptor of one bill of rupees 2,500 became insolvent, and 50 paisa in a rupee was recovered. The bill liability of the firm and account of the bill discounted and dishonored has not so far been recorded. What would be happen, students? Now this 2,500 will be, because the firm has to meet this liability, so the journal entry will be passed for that, because the firm has to pay this. In the 11th class you have gone through the chapter bills. When the bill discounted, firm has to pay this. Entry will be realization account debit to bank, this 2,500. Now he is making payment for the 50% amount, so the firm is getting money back, bank account debit to realization with the 50% amount. Second entry, there was a contingent liability in respect of the claim from damage of rupees 75,000. Such liability was settled for rupees 50,000, and it was paid by a partner. Remember, when a partner pay, his account will be credited because he will get the money for that. So the entry will be realization account debit to A's capital account. This chapter is quite easy, students. When there is a payment, if partner's name is given, he will be credited. If cash or bank is mentioned, nothing is mentioned, then the bank or cash will come. Now, next entry is firm will have to pay. Now, payment word is given because he has to pay, the firm has to pay to the injured employee. So, directly we can pass the entry realization account debit to bank account. Next, 5,000 for damages claimed by customer has been disputed by the firm and settled at 70%. So 5,000, 70% will be 3,500. Again, there's a payment. So the entry will be a realization account debit to bank account with rupees 3,500. Moving to the next entry. Next question, question number 17. Students, here the question is demanded to prepare a realization account. Ramesh and Umesh, partners, are there sharing profits in the ratio of their capital. And the capital is given here 7,50,000 and 1 lakh. So the ratio will become the 3:4. Now they are having certain assets and some liabilities. Now at the time of dissolution, what they have mentioned, Ramesh took over 50% of the stock. First of all, we have to transfer, except cash. Some of the assets are transferred in the debit side. So debtors, stock, furniture, machinery, we have transferred in the debit side. And the liabilities, in liabilities we are having the creditors and the current account. Here's creditors only. So this creditors have been transferred here in the credit side. Now Umesh has taken over the, Ramesh has taken over the stock 10,000 less than the book value, and the remaining 50% he has taken. So what was the value of the stock? It was 1,30,000, and the 50% will be 65,000, and then 10% again, 10,000 less. So if we deduct 65,000 minus 10,000, so it comes 55,000. So he has taken with the name of Ramesh's current accounts, because they are maintaining the current account. So 55,000 with the name of Ramesh's current account. We have mentioned here, you can mention here capital account also. Then rest of the stock will come with the name of cash. So rest of the stock, they said, sold at a loss of, remaining stock was of rupees 65,000, 50% value was 65,000, and then 15,000 less. So the value comes here 50,000. Now debtors realized at discount of 5%. So the value of the debtor has been given here 2,40,000, and when we deduct 12,000, we got 2,28,000. Furniture taken over by Umesh for rupees 50,000. So directly we will mention here. Then machinery sold. Machinery, with the machinery nothing is mentioned, so we have to put it in the column of cash. Now creditors paid in full. So in debit side, first we transfer the creditors in the credit side. Now we have to pay them in the debit side. So creditors will be shown in the debit side with the full amount. Then they said there was an unrecorded bill, and the firm has to pay it for rupees 1,40,000. So definitely we have to make the payment. In the debit side, we have to show it with the name of cash. After getting the answer, we got a loss, and we have distributed in the partners agreed ratio. That was their capital ratio. So in this way, you have to prepare a realization. Now question number 20, in which you have to prepare all the accounts. Here they have mentioned to prepare the realization account, capital account, Bales account, loan account, and bank account. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to transfer all the assets in the debit side and all the liabilities except capital and the reserves and partners loan. Except these items, we transfer all the things here. So we are having only the creditors. So now what we have to do, so we have transferred the liabilities here, only we are having the creditors. Now what is the information given here? Assets realized. When nothing is mentioned here, assets we have transferred here in the debit side. Now these will all transferred in the credit side, whatever assets name has been given here. So by bank, because partner's name is not mentioned here, stock, debtors, machinery, and the building. So it has been transferred here in the credit side. Then partners, Yale took over the furniture. When the partner took over any of the assets, it will also be mentioned here in the credit side with the name of partners. Remember, assets are transferred in the credit side again, and liabilities are to be paid in the debit side. So here we have paid the creditors, and some of the expenses were also given here. Now partners loan, Bales loan was also mentioned here because they said that BAIL has agreed to accept 2500 in full settlement. So first of all, we have to transfer here BAIL's loan, and then in the debit side it will be paid. BAIL's loan 2500 is to be paid. Now partners capital account, loss we have transferred here, students. Partners capital account, first of all the item is buy balance BD, that you all know in the previous chapter you have done. Then general reserve was mentioned here, it will be transferred in the agreed ratio. Then whatever partner's name, wherever partner's name comes here, like we are having the partner's name, BAIL and YAL, and it's a loss and it comes from the realization, so it will be transferred in the debit side. And partner has also taken YAL's capital account, we have mentioned because he took some asset, so it will be also transferred here in the debit side. Now the answer comes with the name of bank account. Remember this, answer of the partner's capital account will be mentioned with the name of bank account. Now we have to prepare the BAIL's loan account. In the credit side, because the loan was mentioned here in the liability side, so it will be transferred here. In the credit side, the full amount 3000, then paid rupees 2500 so to bank, and the difference comes with the name of realization account. So in this way it can be balanced. Now bank account, first of all we have to transfer the opening balance from the asset side. From the asset side we were having a balance of rupees 11,000, it has been transferred here. Now in the whole question, you have to look at the realization account wherever you find the bank. Here we are having the bank with the assets. So it will be transferred in the debit side, and here liabilities we have paid, so it will be transferred in the credit side. Then again partners capital account, here I can see the bank. So it will be transferred with the name of BAIL's capital account and YAL's capital account in the credit side. Then loan account we are also having bank, so it will also be transferred in the credit side. And then at the last, students, remember the bank account should be balanced, both the side must be equal. So in this way you have to prepare the whole question. Believe me, it's a quite easy chapter, you can easily do this, students. So any query, ask.